So you guys are in weird bug problem here. So if you keep turning, it doesn't make any sense. You see that it doesn't move, the dates doesn't move. Now to fix this issue, you don't need to do anything. All right, so display and graphics, just let it be as it is. If you wanted to turn on ray tracing stuff, you can do that on ultra or whatever you wanted to. So I'm gonna put this on ultra for right now. So if you ray trace on, it doesn't matter. If you guys have VSync on, then please keep that off. It doesn't help. Get back on your desktop and you need to download this software called Guru 3D RTSS setup. So this is basically a Riva tuner and you need to download this. I will link down under my description. Then right click and extract all, extract this, and this is how it should look like. All right, so just set this up. I have already set this up, so let me do it once again. So I accept terms, click next. So it want you guys to reboot, so you guys will need to reboot your computer first, which I will not do because I am recording the game right now. So I'm just going to finish this. Now once you guys have installed Riva tuner, just open up Riva tuner statistics server, click in yes. So yeah, it wanted me to reboot. God damn it. Look, all right, so I'm just going to reboot right now. All right guys, so I have restarted my computer and launching Shadow of Tomb Raider right now. So I'm just going to show you my options here. So this is what I'm using right now, DirectX 2L and NVIDIA RTX DLS and quality. You can simply turn this off, it doesn't matter. All right, so press an OK. Also, I'm gonna show you my display setting as well, that I'm currently running on 200 Hz. You guys can see that. So now playing. So you have installed Riva tuner right now and you're watching this video. So you can see that we haven't opened up the Riva tuner right now. So now I'm going to run Riva tuner. So let me turn on the Riva tuner right now. So in this piece of software, what you guys wanted to have is 60 as a frame limit. Okay, so in frame limit, you wanted to put here 60 and hit an enter. So that's gonna solve your issue. And now go back to game. There you go. So if you put this like 0, that means like unlimited frame rate that you guys have. You can see that it doesn't work. So the main solution here is to limit frame limit to 60, and that's gonna solve your issue. Your in-game setting on your graphics, it doesn't matter at all. All right, so this is going to solve the issue, the piece of software Riva tuner, and this is how you guys can fix the Shadow of Tomb Raider bug on this mission. And I hope you like this video, so drop some like, share this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.